Okay. So let me share a page here because we are going to do interaction today. So one-on-one with every one of you today. And then when I finish, then you guys are going to be talking to each other. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let me see. I don't know where my notes are. Okay. I'm gonna share page right now. Just 1 second. Chere obere oge. Chere tintim oge. Tintim. Tintim means second. Second means tintim. Okay, Chukwuemeka. Aga m ebido na gị ka m jụọ gị ajụjụ ụfọdụ. Chukwuemeka, gịnị ka m kwudoro? Asị na aga m ebido na gị ka m jụọ gị ajụjụ ụfọdụ. Kedu ihe m kwuru, Chukwuemeka?
You said that you're going to call on me to ask me a question.
Okay.
And then I don't remember.
Aga m ebido na gị means I will start with you.
Okay. Okay.
Aga m ebido na gị, I will start with you. So ka m jụọ gị, so that I will ask you some questions. All right, okay. Can everybody see the page now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask some questions. Come on, this is not showing. Okay. All right. Okay, so Ajuju Onu means oral quiz. Ajuju Onu, oral quiz. Okay. First of all, I'm going to aga m edetu ihe Chukwuemeka kwuru na mbụ, before. Na mbụ means before. Aga m edetu, I will write down. Aga m edetu means I will write down ihe Chukwuemeka kwuru, what Chukwuemeka said na mbụ, before. Okay. First of all, let's just say number 1. Aga m edetu, I will, well, come on. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I just use this. Oh boy, everything is going bad this morning. All right, I don't know why it's doing that anyway, but yeah. I think I will need to make it big, right? Can everybody see? Oh boy, something is wrong. Okay, so do you want me to make it big, bigger than it is? Or can you see it very well?
You can see it, Auntie.
All right, I want to make sure everybody sees that. Let me just say Emeka. Okay, so it means I will write down agam. This agam is referring to the person talking. Remember I said before, you have 2 letters. Meaning you have 2 letters, that you will use to address yourself whenever you're saying something that pertaining to you, okay? This is referring to you. I will, which is agam, the M is there because it's possessive. It is possessive. Agam ede tu. ihe Emeka kwuru na mbụ before or the first time, okay? Before or the first time. Aga m edetu ihe Emeka kwuru na mbụ, which is before. You can also say oge gara aga. Oge gara aga. Yes, before. Okay. Chukwuemeka, kedu ebe ị gara ụnyaahụ? Gịnị ka m jụrụ Chukwuemeka? What did I ask you?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Where did you go yesterday?
Oh.
Kedu ebe ị gara?
Okay. Ị gara.
You remember the letters I said you'll be using to address yourself, okay? So let me go ahead and put it down here. You either use A or E, this one. So, and then the other one is E. The other one is E. You can say agaram. You can say ejerem. You see that? So both of them can work. This is only when somebody is referring, just addressing him or herself. Or you are saying something about yourself. Okay? Agaram akwụkwọ ụnyaahụ. Ejerem ọrụ ụnyaahụ. You see, you can use any of them, but it doesn't apply all the time. It does not work all the time. Onaga agacha oge niile. Wait, let me, because I want to, all the words that I'm using, I want you to know them before next class. It doesn't. All the time. Or apply all the time, okay? Onaga aga oge niile. Oh, is it. Onage agacha oge niile. Oge niile means all the time. Oge niile pụtara all the time. O is this O here supposed to be punctuated, but I'm not using my computer today, so this one doesn't have the Igbo punctuations that are saved in my computer already. So, but it will be punctuated later. O is representing it. Nage doesn't. Agacha work. See that? All the time. Oge niile. You need to know that. So, where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? Oh boy, come on. This is not doing what I wanted. Where? Oh boy. Sorry, guys.
To press Control U.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with me here. Okay. Where did you go yesterday? All right. It's a question. Remember, we did this. I know Chukwuemeka is new, so I moved to Chukwuemeka from beginner to intermediate. So he wasn't here when we did all the how you say days and past tense, yesterday, today, day before yesterday, 3 days ago, 2 days coming, 3 days coming, all those things. Ebe is ebe. Ebe. The reason we have double E is long vowel. Ebe. Ka. E. E is you. Ebe ka. E. E gara. Ụnyaahụ. This A is referring to you. Egara. I can also say ijere. Oh, ijere. Onyahu. Onyahu. Onya. N and Y are together. Ebeke gara. Onya. Onya. Aho. So, onya. Aho. Bracket in syllables is supposed to be like this. Onya. Aho. Onya. No. Onya. Now, we're supposed to, if we put a hyphen, then we're going to have another A. But now here is the rule. You're not supposed to have double letters in between a word. People do that, and that's wrong, grammatically wrong. You're not supposed to have double letters in between a word. You can have double letters at the end when it comes to a name, someone's name, somebody's name. Yeah, you can have double letters such as Neka. Okay, there are some names you have double letters. But then at the end of the word, you can have double letters. But in the middle of a word, one cancels the other. You can't have double letters. So when you see those things they do on YouTube, what do you call it? Google, that is wrong. Don't do that. Mwanya, some people put it double letters there. Now, mado, because of the way Igbo words go. So, mado, which is human. Mado, supposed to have double letters in the beginning. Human, because of the way, when you watch me pronounce it, the first M, ma, second M, okay? Mado, human. Human means mado. So let me say, human is mado. Human is mado. That's how you write it. You see some people just one M. That's wrong. You can do that, but in the middle, you can have double letters. All right. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka, gịnị wụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha gị. Chukwuemeka.
How do you answer me? I want you to make it say, how do you say, my name is?
Okay. Aha m bụ Chukwuemeka Njokobi.
Yeah, hello. Gịnị bụ food?
Food.
Chukwuemeka, gịnị bụ food? Bịa rie nri. Chukwuemeka, bịa rie nri.
Yeah, come and eat. Yeah.
Okay. Chukwuemeka ga-asa ahụ.
Go and shower.
Yeah. Okay, aga m na-ekwuzi ya n'Oyibo. You say it in Igbo.
Okay.
Okay, Chukwuemeka, go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth.
Something like that. Water.
Go
wash.
brush your teeth. How do you say go?
Go.
Go. Jacob, how do you say go? Jacob?
Ga.
Huh?
Ga.
Ga or gaba? Gaba. Pueba. Gịnị wụ pueba? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe ọwụ? Emeka Ohaya, gịnị wụ pueba?
Leave there. Leave here. Leave there.
Pueba.
Or come here?
Pueba. Get out of here.
Get out, yeah. Like leave here.
Yeah. Get out of here. Pueba. Get out of here. Pueba means get out of here. All right. eba. Some people say si eba po. Si eba po. Get out of here. They are the sentence. Po eba. Or you can say si eba po. Si eba. Or get out of here. Get out of here. All right. Okay. Chukwuemeka, kedu onye ga-eshi nri anyasị tata? Gịnị ka m kwuru?
Can you say it again?
Kedu onye ga-esi nri anyasị tata?
What are you eating tata? Is that today?
Tata will today.
Okay, so what are you eating today?
No. Kedu onye ga-esi nri anyasị tata? Dozie gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara?
I'm trying to remember.
Ka m sị gịnị wụ kedu onye ga-esi nri anyasị tata?
Who's going to make dinner, like who's gonna make food this evening?
Yes, I say what it is. Who is going to cook dinner? Anyasi means night. Okay, nri anyasi is dinner or supper. Kedu onye ga-esi? Kedu onye? Who? Remember, who? Onye means who, okay? Kedu onye? Who is going to cook dinner tonight? Kedu onye ga-esi nri anyasị? Tonight's dinner. Anyasị tata. You can say tata, you can say tata. Who will make dinner or who will cook? Who will cook? So I'm gonna put it underneath. Who will cook dinner tonight? Who's gonna cook? Let's say supper. Well, dinner is the common name, right? Tonight.
It's modern day name.
I know. You're right. Okay. Okay, let me stop torturing. Kedoyana di Uchenna. Hosea. Uchenna chicha he there also. Chicha means clean. Uche ha dalo. Okay. Let me get to somebody right now. Adanna. Adanna.
Yes.
Adanna, tiene yes in Igbo.
Ella.
Huh?
Ella.
Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a?
Amarazim.
Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị? Adanna, gịnị ka m jụrụ gị?
Oweho. Oweho.
Oh, you can't say onweho. When you say onweho, it means I didn't ask you anything. But my question is, gịnị ka m jụrụ gị? What did I ask you? Remember I said, gịnị ka ị na-eme?
What are you doing?
There you go. Okay, and so, gịnị ka ị na-eme?
Anọ m na class.
Anọ m na class. What are you doing? Dalo? It's good to force yourself sometimes to say something. Anọ m na class. Okay, kedu class ị nọ na ya?
Igbo class.
Anọ m n'Igbo class. Okay. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Okay. Adanna say, "Anom na Igbo class." Yeah, anom na Igbo class. I am at Igbo class. And then, that num. Now I need somebody to make a sentence. Go and say, aga m aga Igbo class. Oh boy, I gave you the answer. That boy wanted to say it in English. Okay, I'll say, ask the question though. I will go to Igbo class.
Anamaga Igbo class.
Anamaga. No, when you say Anamaga means I am going. I said I will.
Agam.
Huh?
Agam.
Well, finish it now.
Agam ga Igbo class.
Okay, no. Koya ọzọ dịtị. Koya ọzọ. O nwere ihe ị na-ekwutachaghị ebe ahụ.
Agam ga Igbo class.
I will go to, remember. I said, I will go to. Remember what I said? I will go to, right?
Yes.
You started it well, but I want you to finish it. I will go to Igbo class, right?
Yes.
So, it's future. Something that is still going to happen. All right? Go ahead. You started it well.
Oh, okay. Agam na.
Agam aga Igbo. You see how you say it? Agam aga Igbo class. And see how it's spelled in Igbo. Okay. I need somebody to tell me the past tense of it. I went to Igbo class.
Agaram Igbo class.
Okay, again.
Agaram Igbo class.
Kedonya na-ekwunu?
Adanna.
Adanna, daalụ. Agaram Igbo class. All right. Agaram Igbo class. That is about you. Agaram. Or you can also say ejerem. Igbo.
Mommy, this boy doesn't know Igbo.
Don't forget you're here with others, please. All right. Now, I am going to Igbo class. How do we say it? I am going. Okay, mother, let me see. Okay, come see. I am going to Igbo class.
Let's see. Anam aga akụkọ Igbo.
Okay. Dalo, I'm going to Igbo class. Okay. Yeah, you can say it that way too. Anam, or you can also say, can you use here?
Yes.
Okay, when you say Anam aga, can you also say Anam eje, right? Can you say Anam eje? Can you say Anam aga? And also, can you also say Anam eje?
No.
Okay, why did you say no, Dozier?
Because with eje, isn't it past tense, correct? Wouldn't that not be past tense if you use eje because of the E?
Yeah, it's no. You can still use eje as long as the vowels that the vowels here did not mix them together. Okay, so you can say ana meje. Okay, when you say ejere, but you're saying ana meje, I am going. Because of some people's dialect, it is okay to still say eje, ana meje, ana maga. Both of them are still correct. But you cannot say, you can say agaram, ejerem, you know that. Now, when you're trying to say agam aga, you cannot say, I will go to Igbo class. You can say agam eje Igbo class. Because of the dialect, it is still correct. Yeah, it is okay. But when you're trying to say, I can, abiaram, you cannot use ebiaram. You can't use the e there. It can only be abiaram, anamabia, anamaga. You can say anamabia. You can say anameje. You can say anam abia. No, supposed to be there. Anameje here. I'm going somewhere. Anamaga. Naga. Anamaga here. Okay, I'm going somewhere. So, but you can say anamaga or anam eje Igbo. You can say ola akwụkwọ Igbo. When you say anamaje or anamaga, na ola akwụkwọ Igbo, I'm going to Igbo school. But anamaga n'ụlọ akwụkwọ Igbo. I say I am going to Igbo class. Anamaga Igbo class. Anameje Igbo class.
Okay.
O nwere nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye dị ihe ahụ?
Aha m bụ Kamsi Obi.
Ngwa Kamsi Chukwu Obi, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị? Kamsi, ngwa gịnị wụ ajụjụ?
I would one of the sentences.
Jụọ ya n'Igbo.
Anamaga.
Jụọ ya n'Igbo.
How is this?
Jụọ ya n'Igbo, Kamsi.
Odikwa.
Ngwa, say it in English.
Okay.
Say it in English.
I was trying to say. To me, it looks like you made a mistake on one of the sentences. Like when I am going to. Don't you have to add na? Like on 8 and
number what? Number 8?
9 and 10. It says I will go to Igbo class. Yeah, like
I will go to Igbo class.
Don't you have the na?
Huh?
I know, but don't you have...
Kamsi, you're breaking up.
Don't you add the na before you add the Igbo class?
I will go
don't
to
you
Igbo
have
class.
to add the
aga Igbo class? I will go. You can't say anamaga. Anamaga is now. I will go. Agam aga is future. Now anamaga. Anamaga.
I'm talking about the second aga.
Where is it? What number? Oh, number 10?
No, number 8. Look, it's
number 8 is I will go to Igbo class. Okay? I will go to Igbo class. So since it's the future tense. Okay, go ahead.
Since 2 is no, I mean nah. You have to add na before the class and after the.
Now listen. See if you can move away from where you are, because I can't hear you. This is what it's supposed to be. Move away and then ask your question again. I can't hear you well. I will go to Igbo class. Agam aga Igbo class. Agam is future. You can't say anamaga. You can't say, there's no other way you can put it. But I want to hear what you want to say. Are you okay now? You want to talk now?
What I'm trying to say is, when you said Amaga Igbo class, don't you have to na before the aga?
No.
Before
How
Igbo
can
class,
you say na
right
agam
before Igbo
aga? Na agam aga? No, Kamsi.
No.
No,
Agam
Auntie, I think
aga
he's
na Igbo class. Don't you say that?
Agam aga Igbo
no?
class. I will go to Igbo class. There's no other way you can put it, Kamsi. So the right way to put it, because it's the future tense. Agam aga Igbo class. You're trying to say, if you can put na, agam aga na Igbo class. No, agam aga na Igbo class. Agam aga Igbo class. So you're trying to say, maybe you put agam aga na Igbo class. No, I will go to Igbo class. When you're trying to put na, the preposition is not necessary. You don't need it. It's straightforward. So I understand what Kamsi is trying to say if we need to put na, Igbo class. Now, if you're trying, when you put na there, it means you're specifying one particular classroom. So when you put this preposition, then you are trying to specify, okay? Right now, I will go to Igbo class. You can go to Igbo class. The only way we're going to put na, agam aga na mbido Igbo class, which means I will go to the beginner Igbo class. That's when you need the preposition. Yeah, but right now we don't need it because we didn't specify. All we said Igbo class, simple. But if you're going to specify to class A, class B, class C, that's when you need the preposition. But we don't need preposition in this case because it's general. Okay, Kamsi, ghọtara ya? Kamsi?
Aghọtara m ya. Aghọtara m ya.
Aghọtala m ya. Kamsi? Aghọtala m ya.
Aghọtara m.
Aghọtala m ya.
Aghọtara.
Yeah, I think your Wi-Fi is not steady today because it's kind of quivering a little bit. Okay. I'm learning Emeka kedu? Emeka?
Adịmma.
Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere tata? Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere?
Anyị dị mma.
Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị? What did I say in English?
Wait, you're talking about my siblings?
Why are you asking me a question? I asked you a question and you're asking me. No, I'm not going to answer. I got to aza Emeka. Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? Achọrọ m ka ezam ya. Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị? What does that mean? Huh?
Like how are the siblings?
What did I ask you, Emeka?
How are the siblings?
How are your siblings? Not how are the siblings. How are your siblings? Good.
Oh.
How are your siblings?
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. You don't need to apologize. You're learning, okay? That's what we are doing. And that's why I'm here, okay? So don't apologize at all. Now, how do you answer me?
Okay. Umudema.
Huh? You need to borrow word from here. Again.
Umunedema.
Okay. Now remember possessive na Emeka. Umunne gini.
Oh, like your.
No. It's possessive. You're trying to tell me my siblings. So don't miss that, my siblings. You said umunne, but I want you to use the correct terms here.
Oh, umunem dema.
There you go, Dala. Umunnem de makado ka papa gi mekwalon.
Oh, papam dema.
Ebe ka papa gi no. Ebe ka papa gi gara, mo ebe ka papa gi jere.
Like, how is my dad?
Mba, kedu onye ma ihe m jụrụ Emeka, ebe ka papa gi jere? Ị mara ya zaa ya. Kedu onye ma ya? Ebe ka papa gi jere? Jacob ngwa zaa ya. Gịnị ka m jụrụ Emeka? Jacob, gịnị ka m jụrụ Emeka?
Papa Gemoro.
Jacob, I said, what did I ask Emeka?
Where did your father go?
Okay. Where did your father go, Emeka? Tell me, my father went to work.
Okay. Papa na ulo.
Papam no na olo. Goya. Papam no na olo.
Papam no na ulo.
Yes, it means my father is at home. Dalo, dalo. Awesome. Papam no na olo. That's correct. That's good. You know, it's good to try something. Ebe ka papa ge gara mabu jere. And then you say, Papa no na olo. My father or my dad is at home. Meaning, Papam no na o. That's killing me. Hold on. Okay. Ngwa ka anyị were nkeji ise were jụọ ajụjụ. Gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Kedu onye ma ihe ọ? Dozie, gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Dozie ọnụ ebe ahụ. Kedu onye ma ihe wụ nkeji ise? Ya, gịnị wụ nkeji ise, Dozie?
Magamia. I don't know.
Huh?
Magamia.
I'm gonna ask somebody I didn't talk to.
5 o'clock.
No. No. Chiemezie. Chiemezie, gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Gịnị wụ nkeji ise?
Questions?
Huh?
Questions?
Oh my God. Chukwuemeka, Obi, gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Chukwuemeka n'ebe a. Chukwuemeka, Njọkụ.
Hey, I thought you said Obi, but
no.
Okay.
Gịnị wụ nkeji ise? Well, it's pardonable if you don't know it because you weren't here when I told them. Okay, the rest of you, somebody should tell me what is nkeji ise. Come to gịnị wụ nkeji ise?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes is nkeji ise. Tintim. Okay, tintimato is 3 seconds. Oge abụọ is 2 hours. So you need to differentiate all these things. You have your notes, but I will still go over next time. Everything we did today is going to be the quiz we do first before we start class. So make sure you know everything, how to say them. Onye nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, so onwege onye nwere ajụjụ, right? Okay, so Chukwuemeka, okay, ị ga na-abịazi intermediate class, okay? Chukwuemeka Njọkụ. Good. I'm glad you speak it. Good. Everybody speak Igbo at home. You don't have, if you live alone, speak to your friends. Call your friends. And we have some young adults in this class. Dozie, Nnamdi, Onyekachi, a lot of them. Maybe you guys can be calling each other, interacting with one another, okay? So do that. You can bug me too. Hey, Auntie Kedeteshe, how do you say this in Igbo? I will record it and send to you. You want to learn 2 or 3 words in a day. You don't know what they are. If you don't have anybody to ask, you are free to ask me. You know where to find me. Ask me because I want you to learn it. If you call it a thing, trust me, you're gonna learn it. I want you to be a serious student. What are you supposed to respond to me? When I say Kemesiano, all right, I will post the note by tomorrow when I finish all my classes today because I have a lot of classes. All right, Kemesiano. Okay.